Click on the Settings button and go to Devices. Here we have a microphone, system sound, camera source, and capture card. Let's start with the microphone. Choose your microphone from the drop-down menu and check if it's in the optimal green area while you talk. Click on the test button to hear your voice, and if it's too loud, adjust it from the slider here. If it's too quiet, use the gain option from here. We have noise suppression. This will suppress any unwanted background noise. Delay option, if you want to sync your audio with the video, if for instance you are using a capture card. Convert to mono, you can use this option if your microphone input is coming out from one ear only. You can set it to average left and right, copy the left to right, or the right to left. Adjust the input sensitivity. Your microphone will only be transmitted if it reaches the specific threshold. Enable it from here. Compressor option will reduce the gain or the volume level of any sound that goes above the specific threshold. This is most useful to prevent you from deafening your viewers. Enable it from here. Let's go back to Devices and adjust the system sound. Select the main source of your system sound, and again, see if it's in the optimal green area here. Adjust it if needed, and if it's too quiet, use the gain option. There is also a delay option if again you have to sync it with your capture card. Camera source is where you set your camera. Select it from the drop-down menu and you'll see a preview here. For those using a green screen, you can enable this option from the scene editor. And again, a video delay option if you want to sync your camera. Capture card, select it from the drop-down menu. You'll see the preview here. Select the audio. Again, adjust it if needed. You can listen to audio preview from here. And you have audio delay and video delay. Now that you have set all the devices, you can go and pick a theme.